I'm Bill, and this is FlatBroke Garage. If you're new to the channel, welcome. How's it going? If you're a regular watcher, thanks for coming back. Before I show you my latest project, I'd like you to please subscribe and like the videos. It helps me out a lot and really doesn't do, just notifies you if I got some new videos, but it helps me out. I'd appreciate it. So what I want to show you today is one of the projects I got going here. It's a 1964 Mercury Comet Cyclone. This is a survivor car. It's pretty much all original. Got the original engine, original transmission. My daughter found this car in a barn in Wisconsin. It had come out of Missouri, and I guess they had brought it up, and the rear unibody had rotted out at the rear spring hangers. So they parked the car, and it just sat. So we ended up getting it, and it was covered in red oxide rattle can primer. I don't know why. They never sanded the car. They just rattle canned the car with primer, I guess preserve, whatever. What we did was, I saw an article in Hot Rod Magazine about paint archaeology, and that's basically removing old paint to get down to the original. So what we did was basically spent hours and hours wet sanding the original red oxide off. We came up with the original Wimbledon white. Now the paint is not perfect by any means, but it's the original paint. I mean, it's got some battle scars, but I think that's what gives them character. I think over the course of the years, this driver's door's been repainted and this fender, but it's a pretty original car. We had to replace the bucket seats. I still have them, but we were driving it, and the original bucket seats, critters had just made nests in it. So I got these pro car bucket seats, and I tell you what, these things are awesome. These are called the Mustang style. But what's nice about them is they actually recline too. So that's a plus. The car's got 111,000 miles on it. It's missing the factory tack, and it's missing the factory rim blow horn button that said Cyclone. That's one off of Spirit, I think. So my plans in the next couple weeks here, I have a freshly built 302, if you've seen in some of the other videos. And we're going to pop out the old tired 289, and we're going to throw in a 302 with a fresh C4 with a little bit of a build to the transmission, a little bit of a build to the 302. I just want to make it a good driver car. So that'll be coming up here fairly soon. So if you like comets, cyclones, Mercuries, or just watching somebody else spend money that they shouldn't, please subscribe. Again, follow along. If you have any comments, throw some comments down, positive preferably. But let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.